Stu doing FIX THIS SLIME BLINDFOLDED. That is extremely hard. I gotta do what I gotta do. Stop touching me! Don't touch me! Here, get it! What's going on, crew? Welcome to our channel. If you're new here, I'm Cilla. And I'm Maddy. And Stu doing FIX THIS SLIME BLINDFOLDED Challenge Part 2! I love this challenge. So how this works is we have to pick our slime ingredients and fix our slime blindfolded. And we won't be seeing anything in this whole entire video. So before we get started, we're going to smash that subscribe to be part of the crew. And you only have 5 seconds to do it for 10 years of good luck. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you do it? I hope you did. Oh yeah, and remember to post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday. So let's get started. So it is round 1. Mommy, give us her slime.
Here you go. Now this is going to be very hard to fix blindfolded because it is really bad slime. The color is bad, the texture is bad.
What is wrong with you? This is horrible.
Well,
It's
the
like
last time was kind of easy, so I wanted to give you guys a challenge.
Are you crazy? This is like rubber. Like,
yeah, so you guys have to fix it
horrible.
and make it pretty. No cheating.
how are we gonna do this? So here is the slime, and as you can see, it's like really tough. This is harder than poop. Mommy!
What happened?
Oh my God. You get one with slime so much.
That's what you get for not washing your hands after you use the bathroom, Maddy.
Let's get our slime ingredients now. So it's brown, and I don't even know how to fix that. So we're just gonna pick a random food coloring. Is this the food coloring? I'm pretty sure it is. Let's see. I'm scared. Okay, I wanna go. So I'm gonna get 2. Oh, sorry. 1. This one's heavy. Ugh. So I hope I got a pink for this one and purple for this one because I love those colors. And we need glitter, so I want purple and pink again. So hopefully I get purple and pink. This one. I like these glitter, so this one. Purple and pink, right? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's purple and pink. So now we need to get some lotion because that is extremely hard. Here it is. Okay. This is the more heavier lotion, so I'm gonna get this and then some sprinkles. Now I need a pink sprinkles. Pink. Ooh, these feel nice. No. And dig. I think these are the pink sprinkles, and I'm good. Okay, guys, it is my turn. Right, I think this is the second drawer. I'm not sure, but I'm aiming for color because I do remember that it's brown. So, I don't know what color I'm gonna get. I'm like so scared. Maybe I should get some pigment and a color. Okay, so I'm gonna pick up a random color. I think this should be good. This should be good, I think. And then I'm gonna get pigment. I think I wanna get some glitter. But before I get the glitter, I think I want to get another pigment. I'm not sure. But let me see here. I'm just like very scared. So I'm just gonna get another one just in case. Just in case, you know, just in case. Like you never know what's gonna happen. All right, now where am I? Ow! Stubbed my toe. Okay, that hurt. I think this is the glitter drawer. This is the third drawer. So I'm going to get some glitter. I think I'm pretty experienced from the last challenge. So I think I'm gonna get this glitter. I hope it's a good color that matches my color. And I'm gonna get another glitter. That probably is good too. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. I need to go to the other drawer. Oh my gosh. I think this is it. I think this is it right here. Anyways, I kind of wanted some like foam soap. So I'm gonna get some foam soap to fix the texture. Now, which one is the foam soap? Which one is the foam soap? I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm so nervous. I hope I doesn't win. I hope I win. what's gonna happen. All right, I'm gonna keep looking in here. I don't know what to get. I'm like trying to feel the textures of some stuff. I'm gonna look in the other drawer. This is really, really nice. This is super nice. I love this. I literally am in love with this. I think I might want to get this. Wow, look what I found. Oh, wow, this is pretty good. I think I want to get this too. I know that I'm getting a lot of decorations, but I have to make it pretty, so I gotta do what I gotta do because I gotta make it pretty. All right, I'm done, guys.
Girls, are you ready to do this?
Yeah.
I can't wait to see the results. Remember, no cheating. I know if you guys cheat.
Okay, well, I need to start now?
Yep, go.
Wait, is this timed?
No, it's not.
Okay. Oh, phew, because we're blindfolded. And I kind of have a bad feeling that I don't have good stuff and Maddy has good stuff. I don't know why, just a feeling. So I'm going to look for my foam soap and add it in. Is this my foam soap? Is this my foam soap? Mommy, can you give me
I can't say anything.
Oh yeah, this is foam soap. I got foam soap. Okay, I'm good. I can smell it. Guys, how does this look so far? Is it looking good? I think this is gonna be really difficult to change the texture. I mean, it feels different. I mean, this feels different, but it just still feels a little hard. Like, what is in here? What is in here? I can literally feel something hard. Mine feels really nice, actually.
It does look nice too. I can't wait to poke it.
Oh.
I don't know about yours, Priscilla.
Wait, Priscilla, did you say, oh, it does after Mommy said? No, because I was like this. Oh, it does? Like, what about mine? I guess mine. Okay. Mine nice too. Hello. Now I'm going to add in my food color. I'm going to add a lot because that is brown and I do not like brown. Mine feels sticky. Why does it feel sticky? I don't know. I feel like someone's messing with me.
All I can tell you is that Maddy's texture looks amazing.
Yeah. Ow! Ow! I think I just like hurt my nail. You okay? No, I'm not okay. So guys, how's my purple turning out? And pink. Actually, I didn't add my pink yet. Let me add it. I think I got like a brown to me. Did I use this already? I don't know. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's sticky. Mine feels like it's like melting. Mine does too. Oh my gosh, what's going on? Why do you sound so far away? What do you mean? My voice just went lower. Where's my stuff? Why is that touching me? What was that? You literally touched me. I'm trying to see if you're cheating. Why would I be cheating? Stop touching me. Don't touch me. No, my face. Oh, what is that activator? I got activator because you would melt. Ew. Activator all over. Don't melt your slime. That's why.
Oh, Priscilla, Cookie got some makeup, but this time for real.
Wait, are you kidding me? No.
You got some brown on Cookie.
Maddy! Why would you do such a thing? I wanted to see if you're cheating, because you never know. Well, I'm not. I feel like you're cheating since you got brown on my cookie. I feel like you're cheating. You're cheating. You are. No, you are. I didn't even touch your blindfold. Then why did Mommy say that you did? Oh, she's lying.
I'm not lying. There's brown on Cookie's eyes.
Mommy would never lie to me like that.
Oh!
You got it on my lips! So I split it in half. Split what in half? My slime? How do you know you split it in half? What if you split it in 3/3? I didn't. See, 1, 2. Yes. I'm very scared about the color.
So I only put a little bit.
I'm scared about my color too. So my texture is still like, it's like really watery, and I thought I got activator. Like, I'm sure that I got activator. I don't know why the activator is not working, because I'm sure that I got activator. But no, my texture is really bad.
So I forgot about the glitter, so I'm gonna add this one. Can you open this? I'm just gonna add this one. Time to mix my first slime. Ew, what was that?
That's the glitter you're touching, Maddie.
Why is this so watery?
My glitter's not watery. I don't know what you're talking about. Time to add my secret color. I wish I knew about, but I'm not cheating, so. Ooh, this does not feel. What is this? What color? Let me use my senses. I think it's probably a green.
I think mine is a black. Because Mommy just said that I have white, and if I have white, that means I may have an ugly color. Guys, I really want some white, but I ran out.
You ran out of white?
Yeah.
I have some white. I think. This is it. I'm pretty sure that's white. I don't know. I'm not sure, but I believe that it's white. I need some more color. It's just like a superpower that I have. This is my superpower, you know. Superpower things. So I added more color to mine. Hopefully it changes. Hopefully it's changing.
Guys, I added too much white food coloring in, and now it's like a little sticky. I don't know what to do. Oh, Priscilla said she had an activator. I think I'm gonna try to steal it because she's blindfolded.
I heard you.
Maddie?
Yeah.
I see you.
What's she doing? Hey! Hey! Hey!
What? I didn't do anything.
I saw you, Maddie.
So now I'm gonna go with the pigment. Wonder how nice it is. Now I'm going to feel for my other pigment. What happened? Who just threw that?
So now it's time to add my glitter again. Ah!
Where is my stuff?
How did you know where my hand was?
I don't know where your hand is.
Mommy, my band-aid fell off.
Oh, here, I'll take it off.
Now I'm trying to add my little charms that I got.
Those were Maddie's charms.
Yeah.
No,
Why
they
do
were
you
in the
use
middle.
her?
They were in the middle. That's where my slime is. My slime is in the middle.
Priscilla, you're cheating. You used her charms.
My slime is in the middle.
She's cheating.
And how did she know my arm is? How did she hit my arm? How did she know where it
Because
was?
I wanted to
Here,
hit
Maddie,
your
here's
head.
still some charms in there.
Give me the charms. Give me all the charms here. Hopefully these are pink. Because pink is my favorite color, you guys.
I think everybody knows this, Maddie.
So I added the glitter and look how pretty it is. And now look at the sprinkles. Can you guys see it? I can't enjoy this moment. I know it's pretty too, just like me.
You're not pretty. Right now you look like a black spider.
Oh really? I look like a black spider to you? Yeah. Do I really look like a black spider to you? Do I really look like a black spider to you?
Yeah, you do.
All right, Mommy, I'm done. Can I take off my blindfold?
No, you have to wait for Maddie.
What? Slowpoke, hurry up!
I'm not even done yet. I still have a lot more
Oh my
steps
gosh,
left.
Maddie, that looks like guts.
Be quiet, I'm mixing it in.
This
is supposed to be
Halloween.
ASMR.
That's not supposed to be Halloween slime.
Well, I love
Why
Halloween
is it
because I get so
melting?
much candy.
Halloween is over!
All right, you have 5 more seconds. 5, 4, take your blindfolds off because I don't think you want RM to have this.
That's not RM.
Oh.
That's Mom.
What's his name? Who?
Mom.
I only know Cookie.
What is this? Am I saying right?
Oh, what is yours? Oh!
Mommy, I'm not seeing right. I need to go to the eye doctor now.
That's pretty. That's
You
pretty.
do?
Yeah.
Oh.
Because mine's not
That's
supposed to be this color. It's supposed to be that.
Oh, you think she stole that slime from you?
Yeah.
I don't think so, Maddie. Wow, look at the difference. Priscilla, from the looks of it, yours won.
Mine's marine. Marine.
No. Let me feel the slime and see who won the texture.
Why is there rice on the table?
Okay, then who?
Did you pick rice?
Okay, you know what? Let me touch Maddie's slime first, okay? Oops. Oh, it's rubber. I mean, it's a little. It's better than it was
This
before.
is marine.
All right, let me do a poke test, Maddie. Yeah, I don't know about this, and I really don't like that color.
Why is your finger black?
It's from. I just touched it right now. Priscilla, beautiful job.
Thank you.
Very nice.
I didn't even see. I couldn't even
Let
see.
me do. Ooh, what
look at that
a
ugly
difference!
color.
Look at that stretch.
Stop it.
Look at that. Oh, and look. I love this. This is just so beautiful.
Look at this marble.
And yes, I do love the marble. I love the glitter. Very nice job. Very nice. The texture, you really fixed that texture very well. Blindfolded. Priscilla!
Speaking of
Your cookie is ruined.
That's all your pigments. Your purple pigments on there. Yeah, that's your purple pigment.
But Priscilla, you won! You won!
So we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Today's shout goes to Nadia
And Tina.
Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you guys want to shout out, make sure you hit the buttons in the comments down below.